que consuela el más intenso dolor. Es fiel a sus promesas y me cuidará. De mi fe es el ancla, nunca fallará. Todo va a estar bien, everything will be alright. El mundo es su está, tu mundo es su está.
Lamar Sally. I've been a missionary here in Costa Rica for over 20 years. TMA has been coming down and helping us here for over 10 years. It's been an awesome blessing that they're able to come and participate with us. Our main ministry is called GC2 Ministries, and we plant churches by having teams come down from the states like TMA. And it's just been an awesome blessing to have you guys come down. The main purpose for existence is to help nationals start churches, and groups like TMA come down and they help organize the activities that we will do for outreach to the communities around the church plants. And so when TMA comes down, it's kind of like the circus coming to town. Everybody wants to know why all these gringo people around, these crazy gringos, are hanging out, and everybody comes out of the woodwork, and that draws the crowd so that we can play games with them and also, more importantly, share Christ with them. And then the church has the opportunity to follow up on those people who make decisions for Christ. So the bus that we need is going to be used obviously for transporting a lot of the teams that come down. This year alone we have almost 20 teams coming. We always need transportation for that. But beyond that, the bus will also be used for kids activities and teen activities, adult activities that several of our churches that we're partnering with have throughout the year. And they always need transportation to take them to different sites. And so the bus will be just a huge addition to our ministry. So we would ask you all to be praying for us, for our ministry here as we partner with these 8 pastoral families, for them particularly, and because it's always a lot of hard things going when you plant a church as a family. It's always very difficult, so you can be praying for them. And also if you can just be praying for more help here on the field. We need more people to be missionaries to come down and help us here. We need interns during the summer. We always offer a 2-month program during the summer for interns to come down. So those are some of the things that we need prayer for.